Good morning everyone. Today we will see role and responsibility of clinical trial person, investigator, clinical research associate or contract research coordinator, or it is called CRC. So investigator. So responsibility for the investigator is conduct the clinical trial according to protocol or JCP guideline. JCP means Good Clinical Practice Guideline. The standard operating procedure are required to documented by the investigator for the tasks performed by them. So SOP should be prepared by investigator and that should be followed by investigator to compile the clinical trial. So next, during the following subject of the particular participation in trial, the investigator should ensure the educated medical care to provide the participant for any adverse event. So it means if during the clinical trial, if any participant got adverse event or any side effect, that should be taken care by investigator. Investigator shall report all serious or unexpected adverse event to the sponsor within 24 hours. So investigator have to report the unexpected or any side effect to the sponsor within 24 hours and to ethics committee that according to approved to the study protocol within 7 working days of their occurrence. So if any side effect is there, they have to report to the sponsor as well as ethics committee, and after that side effect they have to again take approval within 7 days to continue the clinical trial. So next we will see CRC, Clinical Research Associate. So Clinical Research Associate role and responsibility is monitor the clinical trial in general, ensure the compliance with clinical trial protocol. So you have to CRA have to ensure that all the clinical trial should be as per protocol. Check clinical site activities, so they have to visit the clinical site and they have to check the activity whether the clinical trial done as per guideline or not. Makes on-site visit, they have to visit the site and review the case report forms or CRF. They have to review all the CRF whether it's properly filled or not. To communicate with clinical research investigator, their also responsibility is to communicate with investigator to continue the trial as per protocol. Next we will see the CRC. CRC means Contract Research Coordinator. It's a institution review board submission. Their role is they have to submit the protocol in IRB, prepare IRB application and informed consent documents. They have to prepare the institution review board application form and informed consent documents. Communication between the IRB, institutional ethics committee or institutional review board and the sponsor. So they are in between ethics committee and sponsor. They have to communicate between sponsor as well as ethics committee. Contract with the pharmaceutical company. So they have to contact the pharmaceutical company, and cost analysis and budget negotiation. They have to analyze the cost of clinical trial and they have to negotiate the budget for clinical trial with the clinical site investigator as well as company, and they will do the subject requirement. So they will help to do the clinical trial, or they will help the investigator to require the subject requirement or clinical trial participant requirement. Again, in patient care side, what their role, the CRC will interact with the principal investigator to PI to assure the patient receive appropriate medical evaluation and care when needed. So CRC basically they will interact with principal investigator for patient whether the patient is received appropriate evaluation or medical care when they need. So in case of adverse event, the CRC must report all adverse event to the sponsor and all serious adverse event. Serious adverse event means SAE or any kind of adverse event which led to hospitalization. That report should be reported to IRB ethics committee or sponsors. So institutional review board also called as ethics committee. So collecting the data on CRF and submit to the sponsor either electric or paper format. So another CRC responsibility is collection of data. They have to collect the all data from case report form and submit it to sponsor via electric mediums, whether they have to mail or electric medium or paper format. So in case of study closure, what CRC will do? In accordance to with the local IRB, the CRC complete the IRB study closure documents and make any appropriate notification to the study subject, research team and pharmacist. So if they are in case of closing of a study, they will communicate with the ethics committee and they will close the documents and produce all the documents to close the study, and they will circulate the documents to the research team, subject and pharmacist. The CRC will work with sponsor in clinical monitoring in completing outstanding monitoring, finding and queries. So in addition to the CRC is responsible to comply with the record retention policy so of the FDA, the ICS and the clinical trial agreement. So in the case of CRC, they also have to complete the record. So they have to keep the record of all the clinical related documents and policy as per FDA requirement or ICS or the clinical trial agreement. This all about the role and responsibility of investigator, CRA and CRC. Thank you.